had a sack. He had a really good game against his former team. Shocking.
Against his former team, Chandler Jones had perhaps his best game of 2016.
Let's go, boy, let's go. Come on. Hey, I'm coming for that ass. I'm coming for that ass, Jimmy. Just know.
He was hit and he fumbled, and the Cardinals recovered, and it's Chandler Jones.
He's hit by Chandler Jones and sacked. The ex-Patriot comes up big.
He's like that guy, like when you're a kid, everybody wants him on the team because he just can play ball.
We out here. Sunday night football, we out here.
He clearly is having fun out there. He enjoys what he's doing. It's obvious. And that's why he makes the plays he makes.
Chandler is as good as they come. He loves playing the game of football and rushing the passer, man. And we led the lead in sacks because I think a lot of that is because it's the energy he brings. You need guys around you to be exceptional. We ran a lot of games off each other and made a lot of plays together, man. I'm going to miss playing with him.
Jones has 41 sacks over the past 4 years.
Boy, that is a PhD in backwaxing by Chandler Jones.
He's become known as one of the NFL's most relentless pass rushers. And he does it all with a smile on his face.
I'm coming. I'm coming. Uh-huh. I love it. Come bring it. Oh, I'm coming now. Come on. Come on. I'm on that. I'm on that.
He's loving it, man. And it shows in how he plays, man. He kicks butt.